Warning, this may be my trippiest video yet. What if Dr. Seuss wrote a poem about earning passive income? Here are a few lines of what that could sound like. Here's the first one. In the realm of passive income, an enchanting quest, discover the steps that lead to success. Are you ready to embark on this wondrous ride? To uncover the secrets, let curiosity guide. Or how about this? Passive income's allure may seem grand, but starting a business isn't what's planned. Risks of time and money are at play. Most new ventures fail, don't go astray. Or this one. A checklist, a guide you need to obtain. Evaluate businesses, don't leave it to strain. The due diligence framework is your tool. Prevent mistakes, don't play the fool. Those lines all come from my latest video about the steps to passive income. So if you want to know the steps to passive income that inspired those poems, please smash the like button and let's dive into this. And by the way, thank you for hitting the like button. It means a lot and I really do appreciate it. We'll get to the steps to passive income in a sec. But I'm telling you, if the poetic intro wasn't enough for you, then stick around until the end of the video and there's a challenge for you, should you choose to accept. Step 1, don't start a business. The first step to passive income online is don't start a business. Surprised? If you want passive income, then surely the way to get passive income is to start a business. No, wrong. If you want passive income, starting a business is a bad idea. Instead, what you do is buy a passive income business. Why? Because if your sole objective is earning passive income, starting a business is very, very risky in terms of time and money, because most new businesses fail. So instead, you can take the time and money you would have sunk into a new business and invest that in a business that is already working. The rest of the video lays out how to do this. Step 2, download the due diligence framework. Download our due diligence framework so that you can evaluate online businesses, so that you can find one worth buying. If you try to just look at online businesses without a checklist, it's very easy to not know what you're looking at. I've been there. I had no clue what to look for. I was running around looking at businesses all over the place, like a chicken with its head cut off. How do you look for passive income businesses? How do you know which ones are valuable? How do you not get scammed? By downloading the due diligence framework. You break down this problem into a repeatable process. I say repeatable because, newsflash, the first business you do due diligence on won't be the business you buy. Where is the due diligence framework? It's in the description below this video. We'll get back to the next step to passive income, but I wanted to ask, what has stopped you from making passive income in the past? Was it lack of direction? Did you fizzle out? Other things in life get in the way? Let me know in the comments below. Step 2, know your model. If you have the due diligence framework, what kinds of businesses should you be looking for? What are the ideal businesses that give passive income? And this is key. What are the businesses that don't require a massive new skill set that you have to learn? My suggestion, content websites. They are simple. You don't have to learn a massive new skill set, and they don't take loads of time to run. SaaS, software as a service, it's not a newbie's game, nor is e-com. Because if you don't know how to run ads well, for example, the business can tank super fast. Choosing the right online business model is where it all starts. It's the one decision that makes so much of your life later on way easier. Quick pro tip before we move to the next step. A lot of people try to look for something that is exactly aligned with what they're currently passionate about, like dogs or cats or baking or whatever it is. I say don't get too caught up on passion. If you wait for your passion, you could miss some stellar businesses. And I've found that your passion for the thing can grow the more you get into it. So don't let waiting for passion keep you from taking action. Step 3, set your budget. Set your budget. This is straightforward. How much do you have to invest? My suggestion is to not spend every dime you have, because then you won't have a cushion and you'll be more stressed. Life is too short for all that. You want to set your budget so that you only look at businesses within your budget, right? There's only so much time in the day, so you got to be focused on only looking at the businesses that get you where you need to go. To make due diligence super simple for you, grab our due diligence framework that we have used to help us and our clients make millions and save millions of dollars when buying online businesses. This framework takes the guesswork out of buying a business. Check it out in the description below. Step 4, find your business. All right, the next step is to search for your online business. You can start by searching on marketplaces such as Empire Flippers, Flippa, and FE International. These sites are like the Amazon of online businesses. They have a wide range of businesses for sale, and you can filter your search on price, which comes from your budget, and your business model. Step 5, analyze the numbers. Once you've found a business that looks interesting, it's time to look at the numbers. But which numbers, William? How will I know? Whoa, breathe. This is why you downloaded the due diligence framework. Phew, good call. Look at the numbers using the DD framework, the due diligence framework, and you're wanting to assess the business. What are the risks? Is it profitable? Will it take 1 billion hours to run this business? And hey, do you want to know a secret? Buying an online business is like going on a blind date. You don't know the business until you meet them in person. Until you look at the numbers. It's just like dating. You want to make sure you're not getting catfished by fake numbers or sketchy business practices. Step 6. Be patient. All right, this step is more of a character trait to build than a step to follow. This is how you get passive income. Remember, acquiring a successful online business takes time. Doing your due diligence, it's like going to the gym. You're getting those reps in, it's not glamorous, but the work pays off. Don't expect to get rich overnight. It takes patience, focus, consistency, a lot of boring stuff, but essential stuff. You don't show up to the gym day one and expect to get all huge and swole, cracking sidewalks. That's just not realistic. The good news is that if you consistently follow these steps, you can get to passive income way faster than if you started an online business. Okay, here's the challenge. Write a 4 to 6 line poem, Dr. Seuss style, from what we just covered in the video. It can be about your main takeaways from the video, what you learned about the steps to passive income, whatever you want. It just has to be Dr. Seuss style. Post it in the comments below. The best poem will get a special shout out from me. Whoa. Have fun. Peace. Hey YouTube watcher, what's up? It's William Griffin, and if you have watched this video up until now, please smash that like button, and I'm glad you're liking the video. Also, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're feeling super good. I also want to ask you, please consider subscribing because my commitment and exploration on YouTube is about to explode. Stories, polls, more amazing content, more engagement, more surprise and delight just for you. This is the time to subscribe. I hope you consider it, and I hope I see you on the next video.